welcome to all our achievers and an equal.
വിചാരിച്ചത് പല കുട്ടികൾക്കും വിവിധ പരീക്ഷകളിൽ വിജയം നേടേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവർ പല അതിനുവേണ്ടി മാറിപ്പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് തന്നെ ആദ്യമായി തന്നെ അവരെ അനുമോദിക്കാവുന്നതാണ് ഇന്നിവിടെ ഈ സമ്മേളനം നമ്മൾ വിളിച്ചു കൂട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഇതിന് നേതൃത്വം കൊടുത്ത് കുട്ടികളെ പരിശീലിപ്പിച്ച
the successful Chandrayaan-3 mission and leader of the Gaganyaan project and the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair, has consented to be our chief guest on this grand occasion to decorate our illustrious students with their awards and prizes. May I take the liberty on behalf of the entire
students who secured A+ in SSLC out of 190 students, and I also congratulate the entire 190 students with equal fervor, and 151 students out of 258 students, and congratulations to all the 190 and all the 258 students for your wonderful marks. And don't get deterred by if you have not got some little mark of the whatever you have expected, because still time is ahead of you. Enjoy the process of learning and contribute to the building a greater nation. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Enjoy. We have gathered here to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our top scorers, whose dedication, perseverance and sheer brilliance have led them to this momentous milestone. Let me start off with Atmika Ashish M, Amani A.B, Amani S, Athena A, Aditi Ibu, Amriya A.R, Ashpriya S.S, Alina A.P, making us proud and making Carbon School, the flags of Carbon School, fly higher and higher. Thank you.
Chief guest Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair for honoring our students with a lot of patience. It was a long list of awardees. A proud principal is very keen to flaunt and proclaim the meritorious achievements of her students, and she is the right person to offer fest on this occasion. And I welcome you.
Chief Guest Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair, Director VSSC, Ward Councillor Srimati Shrija Madhu, PTA President